Hi, welcome to the AP Statistics class introduction video. Mr. Lang, Ms. Larson, and Ms. Lauer will be your AP Stats teachers this year. There's one every class period of the day, so we split them up between us. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to where you find class materials, how to access Canvas, where we have stored all our stuff, and just the basics of what you need to know to navigate the class. So, our suggestion is that you start at the BPS login page on the JHS website and start with the BPS login link. That will take you to a screen that looks like this. Type in your username and password, hit go, and that brings you to every system in the school that you need to log into. So all of these green tiles on the screen, you are now logged into, okay? So like if you want to go to the hub, you could click on this tile. If you wanted to go to Infinite Campus, look at grades, you'd click on this one. For our course, we house all of our stuff in Canvas. So that's where you're gonna go for our class. So you'd click on that. They'll take you to what's called your dashboard. And on your dashboard on Canvas, you'll see little tiles like this. One for each class that uses Canvas, and you're obviously going to click on AP Stats for our class. This is what our homepage looks like inside Canvas once you're there. We've got a timer that's not correct right now because I took that picture a few days ago, but we have a timer that's counting down to our AP exam in May, so we'll keep an eye on that as the year goes on. We have a link right here that says what's the course about. If you click on that, it's a couple hundred pages of all the topics and stuff that we will cover in great detail. That's actually something that AP Central gives us, and we follow that outline, but there's tons of information in there. It's probably much more than you ever need, but if you're just interested in looking at the topics we're going to cover this year, or what's the class like, that's where you'd go. You see the three icons below that. The homework icon, that's where you'll click on that icon. It's a link. It'll take you to the modules that are what we call them in Canvas. And each week we'll have a module, and the module is what you're supposed to complete. So that button will obviously be important. The calculator icon here, if you click on that calculator, and then the next two screens, you'd click start and then start again, and then on the third screen, there'll be a little calculator icon at the top. If you click on it, it'll open up a TI-84 calculator on the screen that you can keep open on the tab. And it's fully functional. It'll work just like your calculator that you'll have for class. But if you don't have your calculator, or you just want something that's easy access, that would be great. The third button is resources. It's just what it sounds like. It's a link that'll take you to videos, textbook, PDFs, notes, all sorts of stuff that will help you with AP Stats. We'll refer you to that from time to time. Also on the home screen, you'll see a Google Meet icon. That's a link that'll take you to a page of all the Google links based on your instructor and what period of the day you have it. So when we have a Google meeting, which we'll have on Thursday and Friday of this week, you'll click on that icon and then choose your teacher and the period, and then it'll take you to the meeting. And this AP Classroom link, will take you to AP Central, and every teacher has an AP Classroom that they've made for us. Everyone needs to log in and join the AP Classroom for your class, and it'll actually be an assignment for you to do that on Thursday, Friday. And there'll be occasional assignments that we will send you to that website for, and they actually have instructional videos for every lesson that we can use as an added resource. So that AP Classroom link, we're going to use that a lot. You'll also see on the homepage what to do when you get stuck. There's a list of things there you can do. Obviously, you can always email your teacher, and those, if you click our names, those are live email links that will take you to an email that you just type up what you want to tell us and send it. And feel free to use that to get a hold of us so that we can help you if you ever run into difficulty. There'll also be a calendar at the bottom of the homepage, so it's just showing you like what we're going to be doing on each individual day. We'll have those linked to the modules on Canvas, but probably the best way to access what we're actually doing is going to be to click on the homework button and then go to the module for that week, which I'll show you right now. So from the home page, you would click on the homework icon, which is a live link, which will take you to the modules. And the modules look like this. That first one is just information and links that you might need. We'll point you there when you need to go there. Week 0, that's this week, September 8th through 11th. So you'll click on that to do what we need you to do this week, etc. Here I've clicked on week 0 to show you that it's a drop-down menu when you click on those modules. And then there's 3 things we're going to have you do this week. There's a student information survey, which is basically some biographical information about yourself. You're going to answer some questions for us. The 2020 data survey, that is a questions that allow us to collect some data that we can actually use in class to teach you AP statistics. And then the last thing we'd like you to do is to go to the My AP Classroom login and either log in with your account that's already made and join our AP classrooms. Or if you've never taken an AP class before, you'll have to sign up. And it's very straightforward, super easy. And we can help you with that too. The other thing we wanted to show you with this intro video, for our Google Meetings, if you click the Google Meet icon, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And you can see like Miss Lauer teaches first hour, Miss Larson teaches second, third, and fourth, and I teach fifth and sixth. So if you were going to join my 5th period class, if you were in it, and we have a meeting on Thursday, you'd click on that 5th period link, and it would take you to a page that looks like this. And this is going to be the key link, Mr. Lang meeting link. So you'd click that, and it'll take you to the Google Meeting space for our classroom. From time to time, we're going to use small groups to do work, and those will be located on this page as well, where we'll list your group members. This will be a hot link, which will take you to your own Google Meet room, where the people in your group can discuss a problem or do a project together, etc. So up here at the top, you'll see there's a spot for special instructions. If there's a link you need or a document you need to link to, or etc., that's where you'll find the instructions. So we just want to make sure you're aware of that. Now, on Thursday and Friday of this week, we'll be having our first Google Meetings in class during the appropriate time on the schedule. So on Thursday, you're going to have meetings with your 1st, 3rd, and 5th hour teachers. And on Friday, you're going to have meetings with your 2nd, 4th, and 6th hour teachers. So when it comes time for your meeting, to access the meeting, you're going to click on the Google Meet icon on our Canvas homepage for AP Stats, and then choose the correct link for your teacher class. Try to be on time for your first meeting, and so they can get started and we can give you more of an introduction to AP statistics. We look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.